So guys, may na-receive din ba kayong ganito dito sa Google AdSense nyo? So, nakikita mo dito, important. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan natin gawin to ng action, guys. So, ang gagawin natin yan, guys, is manage tax information. Click natin yan, guys. Or ito, add tax information. Then, basahin natin, guys, tong before you start. So, plan on taking 10 to 20 minutes. So, basahin natin yan, guys. Then, after mong basahin, guys, is start form. Then, verify if it's you. After natin ma-verify, guys, yun yung lalabas. So, pila pa natin yung individual. Next. Are you a citizen or resident of the United States? No. Then, next. So, pipiliin natin dito, guys, is W, yung una. Then, start. So, yan yung lalabas, guys. So, dito sa pangalawa is DBA. So, may nakalagay naman na siya. Optional lang naman siya. Pipiliin natin is country of Philippines. So, foreign tax. Yung tax ko, guys. Katalagay ko dito, guys, is yung foreign tax ko since nagtrabaho ako dati sa company. Kaya meron akong tax. So, then, next. Postal code. So, province. Then, next. So, after nyan, guys, ito yung lalabas. Yes, I am eligible for this withholding tax rate. Kasi meron tayong tax. So, pipili natin dito, guys, yung pangalawa. Then, 0. Then, tax. Check natin, guys. Next. They expect in the future, no. Go paperless. Kasi matagal siguro, guys, kapag email. Pag binasa nyo to, guys, pag pinindot nyo to, guys, ganyan lalabas yung mga details na pinilapan mo kanina. So, kaya check nyo yan, guys. Pindutin mo yung I confirm. Then check. Then, check nyo rin to, guys. This tax form may be applied to prior payments by providing the following. So, click nyo to, guys. And palitan ko to, guys, in 2026. Your signature. So, yes, I am a beneficial owner of ganyang ano. So, then, submit. Then, ganyan yung lalabas sa inyo, guys, after nyong masubmit. Then, may ma-receive kayo, guys, na email na ganito. Your tax information has been approved. So, click nyo lang to, guys. Then, ayan. So, yun lang, guys. Thank you. Don't forget, guys, na mag-subscribe kayo sa aking YouTube channel. At like na rin. And mag-comment na rin po kayo kung meron kayong natutunan at nakatulong sa inyong video na to. Bye!